Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started a new YouTube channel, Laura Forde's Videos too. So be sure to go across there, check it out, and of course don't forget to subscribe over on that end as well. Alright, so what are we going to be making today? Well, today we'll be making okay guys, so I'm here at my lemongrass plant and we're going to be picking some lemongrass. This is lemongrass here. We're going to be picking some lemongrass in order to make some lemongrass tea. Now, something else I will show you as well, that how you can propagate lemongrass. So all I really need to make this tea is one of these leaves, right? You see this leaf here, for example? All I would need is this leaf alone. However, what I will show you now is how I can actually propagate some more lemongrass from harvesting this here. So I'm going to pull this piece here that is lying down that has some roots. Okay, so you see here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to strip this down and I'm going to replant it and I'm going to harvest the leaves. Okay, so what I'm going to do is strip off these pieces here. All right, so we're going to strip these leaves off, okay? Good. I could actually strip off some more because you can see it has all these leaves on top here. So let's see if you can strip off some more. Now, I will tell you something, guys. Lemongrass is very sharp. You can get what is called a paper cut with lemongrass leaves. So be careful when you're handling the leaves itself. Now, you see this stalky area here? This is what they actually sell at Asian markets in order to cook with. They will strip it down, they will take out most of the hard outer pieces and just use the soft inner stalk in order to cook it. So if I want to do that now, I can do that. But I think I won't go down anymore because I need to maintain this root. So what I will do is simply, I'm going to take my shears, I'm going to cut the leaf here. So this is what I did. I see I stripped it down and maintained the root. I'm now going to cut the leaves off here. Right? So there you go, I trimmed it. Trying to see if you can see everything, right? And I'm going to now transplant this piece here. And the leaves here that I have harvested, I'm going to use in order to make my lemongrass tea. Okay, so we would have to wash out these, and then I will show you how I will wrap it up in order to make my tea. Okay guys, so here in this pot is where I'm going to plant my lemongrass stalk that I harvested the leaves off of, and now we are going to replant this in order to propagate some more lemongrass. So I simply will dig a hole here, stick it down in here, cover it up, and there you have it. We have replanted some lemongrass. Okay, so this is a type of mint here that I'm going to actually pick to add to my lemongrass tea. This here is a peppermint and this is another type of mint. So I'm going to pick some of this in order to add to my lemongrass tea. Of course, this is optional, so you don't need to add it, but I'm going to add it to my tea. Okay, so here I am washing my lemongrass leaves. You have to make sure and wash out all the dirt from your lemongrass leaves, and they also tends to have like a whitish sort of film on it, so again you wash that off. Okay, so we're going to use half of a lime. We're going to use a few leaves of mint. We have our lemongrass leaf. We're going to use honey to sweeten. This is optional. Angostura bitters, and of course our hot water. So I like using this measuring cup that says 2 cups on it. So I simply put in my lemongrass leaf into the measuring cup. I will bruise the leaves of my mint, and then I will add it in. We will squeeze a few drops of our lime into it. Okay, now I'm just adding my hot water to it. Now I'm going to leave this to steep for about 10 minutes, and then I will come back and add my honey to sweeten. So, well, of course I'm adding my Angostura bitters here, but you will add how much honey you prefer. So I just added a dash of Angostura bitters. Again, like I said, that is optional. Now, if you're wondering how I wrapped my lemongrass leaf, let's take a look at that now. What I usually do after I wrap them is that I will put it in a Ziploc bag and I put it in the freezer so that whenever I'm ready to make tea, I have it. So there you have it, folks, our lemongrass tea. Now what's nice about this is that if you have it hot, we can call it a tea. But all we need to do now is refrigerate the rest of our lemongrass beverage, put it in the fridge, get it nice and chilled, and then you have lemongrass juice. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Let's see how many views we can get with this. And of course, lemongrass tea helps to boost your immunity. See you in my next video. Bye for now.